Hi chat, welcome to another stream. How are y'all doing today? I'm doing a bit too much. That's better. Something like that. Let's see. It is Monday, the 25th of November of 2024. We are back for another stream. It's been a while since I've streamed. The most recent weekend, I was playing Pokemon Go. So I did stream. Because I was hanging out with my brother. Weekend before that, I was on vacation, and probably this weekend I will also be on vacation, so we'll see. Koenig, guys, thank you for the resub at 42 months, and reminding me to open up my stream dashboard that I am not even logged into. Great. But welcome back. Thank you for your continued support. It's great to see you again, and I hope you are doing absolutely fantastically. And then last Monday I didn't stream because I was trying to debug my virtual machine. I was hoping to figure out the problem so I could record a YouTube video explaining what I found out. But I didn't get to the bottom of it. I actually have a hacky workaround right now that seems to sort of fix the problem. So we're getting non-zero results here, which is a good sign. Oh, but we're dropping frames. Oh, Twitch, no. Oh. Are we back? Damn it. Yeah, so my network didn't crash this time, so that sort of tells me that this is a Twitch problem. Might need a refresh to get back. I will just tell chat that. Yeah. Oh nope, we're dropping more frames. What the fuck? Let me see if I can change. See if I can change the server that we're on. Stream auto recommended. We're gonna reconnect. See if that makes stop settings to stream. Oh, not even letting me end stream. Great. Oh, everything sucks. Just die. Oh. Sucks. I can't even end stream. Okay, there we go. We have ended stream. Now I can select. We'll see if we're back. Are we back? We're back? Not dropping frames? Yeah, I changed it from auto to Toronto. These are some Canadian bits and bytes you're getting now, rather than the Chicago bits and bytes that we were getting before. But maybe we're back. That sucks either way though. But let me say hi to everyone who's here before we jump into stuff. JJMC was first. How you doing? My Twitch name, welcome to the stream. Forest Penguin, good to see you again. Oramus is here. Transylvania Boy, good to see you again. Hello, hello. Proud Phone Pen. Welcome to the stream. I don't know what a phone pen is, but here's some pen twirls for that. Polymathic Man is here. Four Maths is also here. The Devil Kid, how you doing? Baruz, welcome, welcome. Koniggeist, already said hi to you, but hello again. The Endless River's here. And then we lost all the frames, unfortunately. And all the viewers. That's just the way shit fucking goes right now. God, I swear everything is bad luck right now. Okay, but anyway, the plan for today's stream is I don't have a plan. We're just gonna go through a bunch of open source things that I've been putting off and letting my inbox pile up and hopefully get down to 0. And if nobody watches, that's fine too. All right, so we're gonna start with this PR. We actually reviewed this one already. What the fuck? Oh, they have 2 GitHub accounts and they've set them up weirdly. Wonderful. Okay. Canadian bits, are those Tim Tams? No, that Tim Tams is Australia. Tim Tams are Australia. But I have had Tim Tams. You're thinking of Tim Hortons, which is easy to confuse. I wonder if you could have Tim Hortons with Tim Tams. Sure you could. I'm sure there's a way. I realize they're advertising or they're reordering here. They're alphabetizing. But the point was to put the common options at the top. And yeah. I don't think that draft is a common option or fork or base URL. Base URL is a really uncommon option. Whatever, fucking I don't give a shit. Tim Tam slam the Tim Hortons coffee. I'm sure you could. Yeah, that's probably where it would be possible. Yeah, other than that, this seems fine. I do have to squash their branch. And unfortunately, they committed directly to their main branch. So we're gonna have a fun time with that. As usual. Let's grab this. It's remote add. I'll repost. Oh. Yeah. They're pricey. It's like $4 Australian, which is like $250 USD. How expensive are Tams in Australia? I feel like they're not that expensive. $2 Australian. 2 odd to USD. Yeah, that's pretty cheap for snacks. Like how much, let's see, cost of Oreos in the United States. $596. No. Let's see, I guess we can just see what they are at Walmart. So $4.88 for 18 ounces. What is 18 ounces in grams? 510 grams. Okay, so they're about the same price as Oreos because the 200 gram Tim Tam was $2 Australian dollars. I'm done creating comparing units. They're basically the same. Yeah, I know I can do that, Polymathic Man, but it means I can't rebase. What I'm doing is rebasing. Oh, I didn't want to do that. And the pull head doesn't let you push to it. You have to push to the branch directly. So I'm doing this to rebase the branch. This is a read-only ref. Otherwise, yeah, it would work. Hit branch issue, origin main, base. push head main dash F. Yeah. The Twitch glitch interrupted you talking about my VM. Yeah, so I have a workaround in place, which makes it no longer 0 here. But I'm basically telling Linux to go fuck itself and just trust a timer, but this is very hard to explain. But there are types of clock sources on. I learned all of this from YouTube comments basically, and so there will be a video, but this is kind of the TLDR. There are all sorts of clock sources on Linux. This is the one that basically every processor in the last 10 years supports. Is TSC. I don't know what it stands for, but every processor basically supports this. KVM clock is a clock that's added by KVM paravirtualization, which is a setting I can turn on and off in VirtualBox to basically enable or disable KVM. If I disable it, neither of these are available, and it picks this clock source. This clock source, I don't actually know what it is. I think it's like a shitty software clock. ACPI power management timer. Oh, timestamp counter is what TSC is called. Anyway, but this is yet another clock source. It turns out that if I disable KVM, actually, honestly, my VM is pretty unstable in general. And rebooting it a bunch of times showed me that it was just very unstable. I haven't had the like dead tab issue though since I've forced TSC, so I do think that those things are related. Like this was reproducing like 1 in 5 tabs, and I have not had the problem reproduce ever since forcing TSC to be enabled. But the reason TSC was getting disabled is the boot process of Linux, I guess the kernel, technically. The kernel runs a little check while booting up and basically compares the timestamps of 2 cores, and if they differ by enough, it just says, nope, TSC is unreliable because there's drift on different clocks or different cores. And so that's why I was turning TSC off. What did the 1-core test yield? Holy shit. The 1-core test did succeed, but I had to try like 20 plus times just to get the damn thing to boot. So with 1 core, the VM is very, very unstable. I don't know why it's so unstable, but it is very, very unstable. But with 1 core, it does pick TSC, and then it behaves like this because it doesn't check against 2 cores, so there's nothing for it to be mismatched about. But yeah, and the other thing I tried was booting to USB. Someone was like, oh yeah, just, well, try it on your Linux host. And it's like, well, my host is Windows, so it's not applicable there. Booted to USB, and I could not get it to boot to Ubuntu proper. The installer, the Ubuntu installer would crash. Just repeatedly crash. Every single fucking time. Just crash. Crash after crash after crash. So I was able to start in like low graphics mode and then verify that TSC is fine there. So it's something about VirtualBox probably. But I don't fucking know. It's all sorts of messed up. And this is my most reasonable workaround that seems to have fixed almost all of my problems. I'm sure that there is some, like if I do multi-core, multi-threaded timing, like this, like I trust this value a little bit less. But at least it's not 0. So I don't fucking know, but I'll record that in a video at some point. And Nexus says, don't you have a filter for why don't you just? I do. But Polymathic Man's question was not worded that way, and it wasn't as splainy as why don't you just actually. How did you type that? Oh, I bet I know the answer. But it's this character. You managed to type a curly quote? You did manage to type a curly quote. That's funny. That's funny, Pandoxer. Anyway, yeah. That's how it worked. Timestamp counter is a 64-bit register present on all x86 processors since the Pentium. Yeah, exactly. Which is why I was pretty sure that should be fine. Probably Wayland. So I actually have Wayland disabled. So it shouldn't be Wayland. But who fucking knows? Patrick OMG says, which hypervisor? VirtualBox. I mean, well, I don't know what VirtualBox's internal hypervisor is, but I believe they have their own special one. Yeah, it tells me here that the execution engine is native API. Whatever the fuck that means. But yeah. The answer says, I wonder why the times couldn't become negative when there was a clock core mismatch. So, with the clock core mismatch, it disables TSC and it sets the clock source to KVM clock. And KVM clock, I think, is implemented in software and is buggy as hell. Or at least in my scenario, it was very, very buggy. And I think it couldn't be negative because of that. But I don't know. Impossible to know. So I'm in like a sort of broken state right now. Oh, and people are like, upgrade the BIOS, and I had done that recently, so I did it again. It didn't make a difference, of course. What else? Oh, people were like, oh, it's Python. It's Python that sucks. So I wrote a C version of the same thing, and it reproduces in C also. So it's not like it's a Python problem. But anyway, I'm in like a hacky workaround state for now, and I will be making a YouTube video hopefully tomorrow if I find time to record, and that'll come out on Wednesday. If clock int less than 0, clock int equals 0. You know, there might actually be code like that in the kernel. It would not surprise me if there's code like that in the kernel. But I also don't know. So anyway, this seems fine. I can finally merge this thing. Oh god, GitHub has somehow made this dialogue worse. It used to be over here. Why is it on the left-hand side now? Now it's just fucking gone. Oh, because I clicked off of it. Dude. I mean, I kind of get it. They probably don't view their website at non-default zoom. No one fucking designs for non-default zoom, and I don't really blame them. I don't really blame them. IPI token. I did do my password manager today. Look at that. Paste. I guess I should have checked if there were other PRs in this repo first. Surely there aren't, right? I find that pattern for relative humidity sensors all the time. If rel hum greater than 100, rel hum equals 100. Since calibration sometimes pushes over the top. Yeah, that kind of makes sense for sensors. That definitely makes sense for sensors. I feel like for this, like, there's no reason for the number of CPU cycles to be different. Like the crystal would have to be fucked. For that to happen. But shrugs. My Twitch name says, why don't you just testing? What? What are you saying, my guy? What does that mean? What does it mean? Testing the filter? Oh. What? Which filter? What are you talking about? Testing. Oh, you're testing the fucking. Oh, I see. I understand. I understand. You're testing the block list. Right. You're doing the thing that usually gets you if I'm in a spicy move, it gets you timed out. Actually, let me see what the fucking what the thing is. I don't even know where that is. Moderation? Oh, they moved it. They moved it, didn't they? Yeah, they moved it. Oh, blocked terms. Oh, okay. Okay, the one that's blocked is a little bit spicier than why don't you? It's a little bit more aggressive than that. That there is a phrase in there that oh wait, this is amazing. How do I show you this without showing you? They have added a new thing to tell you how many times people have tried to use the particular blocked phrase. That's pretty good. I really like this. I really like this stupid number. But yeah. Chip and Hollaballas, hello, how you doing? Welcome back, good to see you again. Let's see if any of the like spam ones have caught people. No. Oh, that one. Okay. The more aggressive version of this has caught somebody. Okay. No, I haven't caught any of the spam ones recently, which is surprising. Anyway. Good to know, good to know. Show the 16 occurrences one. I'll give you one guess, Ship It Hollaballas. I'll give you one guess and I will tell you yes or no on whether it's correct. It's not line numbers. That one's public. It's not line numbers. Ormus says, why am I getting ads for Amazon basic shit in some weird currency? Its symbol is half an R and half a Japanese character. Oh wait, yeah, you can't guess what it is because it's a blocked phrase. Right. Duh. Wait, what is this currency with R and half of a Japanese character? Huh. It is not Oramus. It's not. It's a good guess though. No, it actually has nothing to do with text editors, the Endless River. A good guess though. Not quite. Alright, we got a bunch in identify. Do those ones. Identify. I really don't like reviewing these ones. Add C# script and F# source as script and script file types. What is that? C# script. CSX and FSX. Surprised we didn't add F# before. But it sounds like it's pretty unambiguously F#. Could probably make FSX pretty unambiguous. AI garbage. F# script. Yeah, interesting. Interesting. Did they do the thing here where is this an octothorpe or is this the sharp symbol? Man, I would be such a dick if this were okay. That one is number sign. Okay. I was gonna say this would be like peak troll if this were the number the sharp symbol. Yeah, You can script in C# apparently? C# scripting. C# REPL. CSI.exe. Holy. I mean, that's kind of cool. I feel like it's got to be so slow. I mean, the REPL kind of makes sense. Play around with it. It seems kind of cool. Wilfred! Thank you for the resub at 22 months. Holy shit, it's been so long. How you doing? Welcome back. Good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. Appreciate you stopping by. Compile on autocomplete? Oh yeah, I bet it does. I bet it does. That's kind of cool though. This just looks like a normal ass C# file though. Without any white space, without any new lines. Do you think that REPL has the same problem that like every fucking REPL has, where this code looks ugly as sin? Do people actually write code like this? This looks terrible. Why are these lined up? Okay, there's no exit or quit. Amazing. But there's help. Why the fuck would you add help but not exit or quit? Anyway, kind of cool, I guess. Been a while for me too, says Gosling Tracker. Hello, hello, welcome, welcome. Yeah, I don't even recognize your name. When was the last time you were here? Let's see. July of 2023. Yeah, it's been a very, very long time. Very, very long time. Welcome back. How you doing? I've seen a new repo I start on your GitHub. Interesting. Ah, yes, indeed, indeed. When I was cooking. Ah. Well, we're cooking code today. But welcome back. How you doing? Yeah, this seems fine. Commit, approve, submit. Just some miscellaneous open source. Yeah, my today message is fairly nondescript. Okay, one done. All right, let's do the next one. Add Bitbake extensions. Surely it's BitBake. I've just made a fool of myself. Holy fuck, why are there so many of them? Let's see if it's unambiguous. First. Blitz Basic? Really, no one uses this thing. Gosling Tracker says, honestly, depressed, got yelled at. Yeah, I know that feel. Oh, it's standing desk time. Make sure we're clear to do that. Really nothing. Rise. Oh. Yeah, we're good. No officers here problem. Is this AIBS only in Chrome or is it a US thing? Oh yeah, it's probably a US thing. Probably oh, this thing doesn't fucking exist. Really not that. But yeah, I guess this seems fine. And it's very unlikely that these other things would do that. It seems weird that their configuration file would be in their programming language. Let's see. What the fuck is this? Holy shit, this thing looks gross. Anyway, seems fine. Seems fine. Wonder if this thing works. Yeah, I haven't hooked it up to do it automatically. I did find the documentation, and there is like a RJ. Yeah, there is an RJ45 jack. So in theory, I could figure out how to talk to it and probably hook up an Arduino and the right wires and such to make it so you could control my desk directly from chat and make the channel points rewards actually toggle the desk. I don't know if I want to give chat that much power though. It seems a little terrifying. Hey, what's up, Puzzle Clutch? Hello, hello. But yeah. Panic says, has you seen SQL code where they right align the select from where so that they end on the same column? No. I have not. That sounds... It might actually be slightly aesthetically pleasing, but it sounds very funky. Anyway, this seems fine. Identify Durham files as bash. I seem to remember somebody did this already, and there's a reason why we can't do this. Durham, I don't think actually uses bash. It uses whatever shell. I guess it is a bash subshell. Huh. My Twitch name says right. I don't know what you're referring to. I guess this seems fine then. What could go wrong? Oh my god. Now it's on the right hand side. I don't know what happened. I don't know why it switched to be over here. Oh. Prove. Then click the submit button. Yeah, there we go. Oh, I think I didn't improve the other one. It is what it is. Housing Tracker says, who really uses 12-factor apps? I only know theory. I honestly don't even remember what 12-factor apps means. So, I don't know either. I'm sure if I looked it up and I'd be like, oh yeah, that's what it is. But drugs? Probably. What was the last minor version? Oh, we bumped the... What was 2.6? What did we do? Oh, added a feature for Yep. API token. Yeah. Up. The server says, why is Vercel such a big thing? Isn't it just a bunch of node containers? I see it all over GitHub, seemingly with nice continuous deployment. So the idea behind the idea behind Vercel is they basically make a convenient way to deploy node applications and just make all that shit work. And then sell you the cost at a markup. So basically they run AWS for you, or they run services on AWS for you, and then you pay for those services. When in reality, it would be cheaper to do it yourself, but they just do it at scale. Different. It's been a while since I've seen Marco Gorelli. I'm fine adding this thing, but I think I'm gonna add it to, rather than giving it its own section. I think I'm gonna add it to other programming, like, oh, connect it again. Are we back? Reconnection successful. Infuriating. Hey. Yeah. Sucks. Well. I don't need this, Twitch. Why are you doing this to me? Anyway, we're back. Yub.com. You've used it before, the other server. Okay, well then that probably means it's good, right? Patch 4. Yeah. I mean, Jupyter notebooks aren't really a programming language, but close enough. Having all these issues, and here I have the Team Slack Zoom goes down in a similar scenario during all of my important work meetings. Yeah. That's the dream, isn't it? That's the dream. Sadly, I feel like it has not necessarily been the case. You're in Terraform I am hell? I actually feel like I have not had too many problems with IAM, except when I made a policy document that was too big because I was doing it wrong. But that was on me. That was my fault. That was me not really completely understanding what I was doing. There were definitely some things that I probably it's required. Oh, interesting. Alright, let's, I guess, just re-review this and then squash merge, hopefully. And make a third policy document for this role because it was too big again. Yes, the classic problem. Policy document too big, split it into another one. Script is command 0 if is local, otherwise prefix top. Yeah, I guess that makes sense. This is language art. This is a really weird way. Yeah, I think their code is equivalent though. I was meant to have a closer look at Julia. It seems to be nice, lean, and reasonably fast for data sciencey stuff. I learned one truly insane thing about Julia, which we'll see when I scroll down in this PR. Maybe we'll just get to it. Julia doesn't have any concept of versioning. This is how you version things. You generate a UUID for for your library, and then people depend on your particular UUID, which is wild to me. Which is absolutely wild to me. Although it looks like you can actually do some amount of versioning. Wait, this is different than the last time I looked at this, because this actually has a version. But this one doesn't. Well, now I don't fucking understand. What? Maybe there are two ways to version Juliet. But it seems like everything that everything that I saw before didn't use this. No, this. But drugs. Anyway, you don't get versions. You get UIDs. Can you at least sort by UUID? I don't think sorting a UUID is meaningful because it's random hexadecimal stuff. Yeah. Ba, 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 bum. Why did they use exit stack here? Because they don't know what they're doing. Okay, well, we'll just fix it. Let's fix that for them. It's good code change like a ghost. UID is temporally lexically sound. Oh, because it has a timestamp in it. That's weird. This is an interesting construct. If is file continue. If not is file continue. So it's basically trying to find the first one and then stopping. It's a strange, very strange way to put that. Interesting. Hmm. Cool. There's a thing for this. Thing for this. I think. Setup command. Which is literally just the same as this. So probably don't know why this is, but it's literally what this does. So I guess we'll reuse that. Like technically, you know what? Fuck it. Yeah, it's good enough. Good enough. Okay. Little good code change like a ghost there. Sort of already read through there. Seems fun. A little ugly, but what is the name of the helper? Yeah. It starts with a timestamp, unlike the other time based on ones that put it in the forking middle. Yeah. Right. Cool. S1Q, hello, hello. How you doing? AWC, hello, hello. Thank you for the resub at 43 months. It's good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. And I appreciate your continued support. How you doing on this, what the fuck day is it? Monday? I'm a little bit pissed off because bitch has been disconnecting. Util shame, yes, is where I knew better. That's a fun crash. It makes sense though. And it also makes sense that my linter didn't run because based on pregment, and so if pregment crashes it doesn't produce the output. Wait. Why is the first commit in their branch pregment auto update? Oh, I have fucked this up. There we go. That makes more sense. Their remote was ahead of the. I had not fetched my remote. Good. Give them a little approval, and then we can set that to auto merge. Oh, it's so annoying. Just scroll all the way to the bottom of the change set. They also had a documentation. Seems good. By the way, feature slash here docs. They I get it. Unsettling icon. Fully parsing here docs and JP Zera, thank you for the resub with Prime at 2 months. That gets you a fancy new badge. Hello, hello, welcome back. Good to see you again. Versions, whatever. If len child.heredocs does not equal 0. Command.original equals command.original plus a new line. And then there's no way this is efficient. And this looks ugly as sin. There's no way that Go format would be okay with that, right? Like, why does it put spaces here but not here? Is that just how Go format works? Thing run Go format? Nice. Go programmers, what the fuck is wrong with you? Why are the spaces around operators context dependent? The fuck? That looks so stupid. Okay, what does this shit actually look like? The Docker file that just has run. We get run. Original is the entire Docker file? I guess that's technically true, because this is the full original command. The value? Yeah, it doesn't feel right at all. I don't think that's right. Doesn't seem correct. The EOF syntax should be part of. Holy fuck, you can double here, doc? Oh shit. Yeah, this makes even less sense. This is nuts. I don't know how you would know. Like, this doesn't match the bash parsing at all. This is super fucking wild. I don't understand why. Yeah, this just looks like nonsense. And then this is just reproducible in Python. Yeah, this is just fucking weird. I forgot. Shit. Ah. Ah. Uh. uh. Love me some sorry, I shouldn't be scrolling. I shouldn't be scrolling um LinkedIn. But sometimes the shit posts are too good. The like the subject of this is like in the age of generative AI, it's important to be able to tell the difference between a real photo and one generated by AI. Defcant Gain says this isn't AI. Isn't this like she has a condition? This isn't AI? Are you serious? This looks generated. Anyway, well, now I just feel bad if it's real. Hold on, we can reverse image search. Really, we can find the result of this. Imager. Only on Imager. I don't want to spread misinformation, but I'm pretty sure this is sure it's not. Could you imagine if it was real? I mean, almost. I could almost imagine it being real. But yeah, I'm definitively gonna say that's fake. I'm not read this code closely enough. Up until now, I've stayed strong. Still not on LinkedIn. Well, unfortunately, back in the early 2010s, where I was looking for jorbs, it was kind of the necessary bit. And I just haven't touched mine in forever. I'm pretty sure it still says I work at Stripe. Oh, I did update it. I bet Facebook says I still work at Stripe though. Been on there in forever. I'm not even logged in. Easy. Oh, I see. Let's see. Just can't read. What was the other thing that I was asking about? Oh, symbol thing here. Cool. All right, we'll give it one last review and then we'll merge this. What the fuck is going on? My computer's haunted. I can't. My mouse is working. but it is stuck in middle click land somehow. Okay, we're back. What the fuck happened there? That was so weird. Oh, I almost did it again. Hold on. There's some like weird rendering bug here? Weird. I wonder what I don't know how I don't know how I did that. Didn't I literally just get a new PC? I did. This is my new computer. I think it's haunted. I honestly think this computer is haunted. No, I don't, because there's no such fucking thing as ghosts. Who is screwing Chrome over since the sale? What sale? What? Chrome get sold? I don't know what that means. I don't feel like that's not a thing. Why? I don't think that stir call is needed. But I don't care. Good enough. Oh, it almost did it again. Weird. What in the braced Python, says Captain Chica? There's Go source inline in here. There's something really weird about this. The US wants Google to sell Chrome? Oh. I feel like there's plenty of things that could be. I feel like there's plenty of stuff that should be split off from Google in an antitrust. I don't know that Chrome is one of. Well, like Chrome actually is probably their biggest property. You know, we can actually probably fix that call since we're rebasing. And UI glitches was large reviews on GitHub recently as well. Yeah, it could also just be GitHub. This is a stupid useless warning. I tried to make this not a warning, but I was unsuccessful. This is not how you use warnings. This is not how you use warnings. Warnings should be for something actionable. There's nothing actionable here. If I ignore this, it'll go away in 3.14 and I will have to change no code. It's very obnoxious. I remember when Google was once a search engine and not just a marketing company. I mean, they were always an ads company. I guess they didn't make money from ads originally. Because the original idea was just a search engine. But when they had to monetize, it was ads. They haven't really looked back. Which makes... Already got our approval in there. Is it gonna let me approve even though it actually updated behind the scenes? I feel like GitHub should not allow me to review something that has been pushed to afterwards. What's going on? Even though like Spinner is like very strange. Status leaf mode. Whatever the fuck that means. What is secure system? Anyway. Merge. Normal scheduled program of Google being a monopoly another day. Yeah, basically. Basically. Google shutting down another useful product for no reason? Yeah. Has anyone read the book The Circle? Somewhat similar to what's being addressed now with Google and Chrome. I have not. Helping frames? Again, probably. Fucking Twitch being shitty as usual. Oh, this is so disheartening because I want to stream and I want to enjoy streaming, but if Twitch is not gonna let me do it, what am I gonna do? So oddly enough, that is actually the end of my queue of open source stuff. Yeah, stuff I need. Let's see if there's something to do on Babby. Why not? Sounds like fun. There's plus. Just never finished it, which is fun. This is a lot harder than the issue makes it sound. I feel like this got fixed. Yeah, see how they're not the same? Yeah, no one ever finished this one. I feel like this one wasn't easy to fix, despite it seeming deceptively simple. Oh. Fuck, it seems the same. Oh, from there it's different. Yeah. Hmm. Interesting. Alright. Figure out why. How this thing works. Probably in screen. And control right, so RIT 5? Do we rename it to the nice name? Maybe it's not actually in. Dude. I think it's actually in this one. Yep. Control right. Okay. If we're at the second to last character, jump to the end of the line. Okay, cool. If we're at the end of the line, jump forward to the next non-white space. Okay, that makes sense. If we're inside the line, jump to the next position that's not our type. Oh, interesting. Okay, so because this moves to the right by 1, it does the wrong thing. Very simply, it does the wrong thing. I think this is supposed to be -1 here. Be my guess. Let's play with it and see what happens if I do that. So do I not have virtual here? Strahl. My god, that's a lot of dependencies. What the fuck is in there? Oh, PyTest. Makes sense. So we open up example now. We're here. That still works fine. Oh, does it though? That seems wrong. That seems different than before. Shit. Yeah, that's what it did before. And I like this behavior. Don't like what it did. Fuck. Maybe we could special case for tabs. The thing is, I bet it's fucked up for like spaces too. Like should that stop at the H? Just say. This is like a little bit inconsistent too, because I feel like this will always. No, it doesn't go to the beginning of the line. I don't know if it's right or wrong. I like if you special case tabs here, we could make it work. But I don't think that I should fix it. Ridge9K, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. I hope you're doing well. Annex says I tweaked my bash completion to not complete .egginfo endings for my vim command. Not fun. Egginfo. I don't know. Oh, I get it. Yeah, so that it doesn't like so like when I try to do Babby and I got these two things, yeah, that makes sense. That's a funny one. Okay, I can fix this by special casing tab, but I actually don't think that this is worth anything. Yeah. Hmm. 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 I don't really feel like working on this today. I don't really know what I want to work on. Pay upgrade I could... Actually seems interesting. But I think I'll review when I have time in the next few days, months ago. I know that feel. I know that feel. Double under A next. That's kind of cool, but I don't think I would ever write. This one I want to do, but it's very hard to get. Yeah, this one's very tricky to get right. Review. You know what? I'm frustrated from Twitch going down, and oh, I just dropped even more frames. So you know what? It's gonna be a short stream today. Sorry about that. I got all my stuff done. Don't know what else to do, and Twitch is pissing me off. So we're gonna end stream here. Let me do my little spiel, I guess, and then we'll send you off. Well, I don't even feel like rating. I think I'm gonna go watch YouTube. But you can watch my YouTube at youtube.com/anthonywritescode, where I upload educational content. And yeah, and if you missed any part of the stream, those will end up on the second channel, anthonywritescode-vods. In December, I'm gonna be trying to stream Advent of Code, although unfortunately, the first week I'm gonna be out of town. Maybe I will try and stream them from a hotel. I don't know. We'll see. But I'm doing holiday party stuff, so we'll see what happens there. But we did get caught up on all of Advent of Code. We are cooking. I can say that I've completed every Advent of Code problem for a short couple of weeks. Well, until we finish 2024, because we'll definitely finish 2024 as well. But that's gonna wrap us up for today. Oh yeah, join the Discord. Come hang out with us. Yeah, Discord. But yeah, I'll see you around. Have a good one, chat. Bye.